Please tell me who you see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me. Want you next to me, but does this work? 'Cause
Love you. Good luck. Today pala ay Thursday, May 6, birthday ni Zach. Happy birthday, Zachary! Happy birthday, Zachary! Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Zachary! I love you so much. I love you so much. Hi, Baba. I love you. You're my Baba. Hinalap niya si Oli. Love you. Happy birthday. Are you shy? Why? Yona, how old are you? Oi. How old are you? 8. Okay, happy birthday. Yeah, sure. Do you want Milo? What do you want? Hey, Baba!
Hi.
Ay, wow. Happy birthday, Holly!
Not her birthday.
No. Okay, happy birthday. Hey, take my kiss.
Is this Zach's birthday now?
Huh?
Is this Zach's birthday?
Yeah, Kuya Zach's birthday now. Pinaon ko kay Zach yung TV. Ha? You're not watching it. Sabi ko, on mo yung Netflix, tapos ilagay mo sa pinapanood ko kagabi. Ano siya? Hindi siya Korean, Chinese. Ano ba to? Your Heart? Your Heart? Ata to.
It's not normal.
No, sabi niya, no. It's yung My Destiny natapos ko na. Here to Heart ata to. Hindi ko pa to napanood. Bago ko lang to nakita kagabi. Chinese naman tayo after Korean. Ito yung Milo ni Holly Girl. And then yung kay Zach.
I want to ask you, guys.
One more. Gusto niya strong yung Milo niya. Hindi ko pa binubuksan yung nabili kong chocolate.
Can I mix?
Yung hot chocolate na nabili ko sa Rove. Yeah. Si TJ gusto niya warm.
Can I mix
Warm
it
milk.
myself?
Wait, Baba. I'll do it.
That was mine. No,
This
that
is
is mine.
Holly.
No. My birthday should
Oh, yeah. Diba? Si Zach ang boss. Zach is the boss. So, here you go, birthday boy.
Thank you.
Get down.
Is that real?
Yeah. Wait lang, I get your bread. And for Holy Girl, naka-ano siya? Tingnan niyo yung lipstick niya. Naka-glossy lips.
Okay.
Welcome. You gonna say?
Happy birthday. I'm gonna leave these.
Thank you.
in the train.
Yeah, okay. Mamaya,
After school.
yes, mag-change siya ng ano.
Listen, be good, okay? You'll
Yeah.
get what you need, alright?
What you got, Zaki boy? And thank you. What?
Sorry about it. Don't forget them.
Okay. Nagpabili ako kay Kylie ng cupcakes para ibigay niya sa schoolmate niya. Or classmate pala. What's that? Oh! Oh no! I see money! Wow, that's a lot! What you gonna say? Binigyan siya ng $50. Wow! Ayun na si Zach, oh.
I've got 200 in my wallet now.
You do? Si Zach, ayun, tinatago niya na yung pera niya.
Mom,
Yes?
when I run, my bag's scratching my neck. It's hurting.
Ito yung cupcakes.
Mom,
No, Kuya
I'm
Zach.
going to give it to Kuya Zach.
Okay.
No, someone else hold it.
Yes, she can see you. Close the door, Baba. Okay, see you later. Magti-10:25 na, and eto, okay na tong ilagay sa jar. Yung ating gourmet, kaso kulang ako sa jar. Kasi yung mga jars ko, tinapong ko na. Ang mga natitira na lang eto, kasi si Jan, iniipon niya rin to kasi may ginagawa siya sa mga to. Ito yung jar ng, tawag nun, yung peach na nabili namin sa Renmark. And eto, ito-transfer ko to sa maliit na container para magamit ko yung jar. Kasi meron pa siya. O, sayang naman. And eto, kainin ko to mamaya yung pickles kasi konti na lang naman. And etong mga maliliit. Meron pa akong ibang maliliit. Kasi sobrang liit niya naman. Kasi eto, mga to, ginagamit ko to noon pag gumagawa kong chili oil o kaya chili garlic at saka gourmet toyo. Ang tagal na ng mga to. Eto ay 2015. Ayan, 2015. Yan, mga nagamit ko na yan kasi wala na siyang sticker. Eto, di pa to nagagamit. So, pag kinulang ako, siguro dito ko sila mailalagay kasi wala tayong jar. Siguro, kasi ang lalaki niya, paano sila magkakasya? Siguro, i-ano ko na lang, no? Para yung flakes. We'll see. Pero yeah, pakukulang ko muna mga to bago ako maligo. Kasi si Holly, ano siya, half day lang siya. So, 11:30, pipick upin ko siya. So, hugasan ko lang mga to. Alisin ko muna yung mga, eto yung mga lulutuin ko ngayong birthday ni Saki Boy. Request niya tempura, chicken, and Cajun steak. So, okay. Back to kitchen ako. Guys, nakaligo na pala ako, pero hindi ko pa natapos hugasan yung aking dapat hugasan. Kasi nung hinuhugasan ko to, tumawag si Jan. Sabi niya, punta ako saglit sa bay. So, pumunta ako saglit sa bay kasi may inutos siya sa akin. And ayan, natenga siya. Ang bilis ng oras. Alam niyo ba, 11:25 na. Pipick upin ko lang si Holly. Tapos na yung kalahating araw. Grabe, ang bilis. Sige, pick upin ko muna si Holly. Kunin ko lang yung aking bag. Ito na kami, guys. Pakanta-kanta siya. Come on. Wash your hands. Yeah, I did bake cake already. So, back, ano na ako dito, guys. Hugasan ko na to. Magsaing muna ako ng rice para sa, ano ni sa sushi niya ba?
Sushi! Yay!
Yes. 2 cups. Baka dami ng 2 cups. 1 1/2.
And we have to hide.
Why you have to hide?
So I can say, surprise!
We don't have balloons, sabi ni Holly. Why you're not decorating, Mom? Sabi ni Kuya Saki, hindi na raw siya
It's okay. It's a decoration now.
baby. Yeah, gusto ni Holly mag-decorate kami. Oops. Okay, 2 cups.
2 cups. What?
Careful, ha? My camera is...
Chunkarado.
Champurrado is not your birthday.
Sorry, Chunkarado for Quizak and cake for Quizak.
I have cake. I baked cake last
Yeah,
early in the
I know.
morning.
You don't have to hold it, Mom.
Yeah.
You don't have to hold the rice. Mom, why do you don't have to hold the rice?
What hole?
Why not holding the rice?
Oh, it's alright. Kahit sa sushi na rice, ang ginagamit ko rin ay ang aking daliri, yung middle
But
finger.
you still have rice.
Huh?
You still have rice.
Yeah, we still have rice.
The rice smells good.
Yeah.
Now can we bake the cake?
No, I already baked the cake, Baba.
Now can we decoration the cake?
Not yet. Okay, hugasan ko pala ito muna.
I want decoration the cake now. Because I want a West Coast cake.
Oh, I don't know how to make West Coast cake, Baba.
Do you know how to... Do you know which cake I'm going to do it for Queen DJ?
Good ako ng here to, ano ba to? Here to heart? Kalimutan ko. Para ganyan.
Chinese.
It's Chinese. It's not Korean.
a big present.
Maganda rin siya. Maganda to. Maganda tong story niya. Kasi simula ko lang kanina madaling araw. Nag-ano lang siya. Parang nakita ko lang siya. No, nanood kasi ako ng Korean, then bigla na lang siya nag-pop up din. So, tingnan ko lang.
Decoration like Elsa cake?
Elsa, I already did, remember?
Yeah, you can.
Patayin ko muna kayo guys. Nahugasan ko na yung mga jars. Ililipat ko lang to dito. Kasi kailangan ko para sa pagpapakulo ng mga jars. Kita nyo na to, pero ang sarap ng amoy. Tandahan para hindi sila madugo. Yung iba naman, i-flakes ko kasi nga, may mga malilit akong jars. Dami ito, saan ko ito ilalagay? May dalawang malaking jars naman. Bigyan ko sana si ma'am, kaso wala si ma'am, nasa Adelaide. Yan yung mga girls, hindi ko alam kung kailan ko sila makikita. Kasi, this weekend, pupunta si Jan siya kasi, kuya, napagit pa na ba sa inyo? Yung dalawa sa Adelaide kasi may golf lesson si kuya and may competition siya. Yung lesson niya Saturday, Sunday yung competition niya. And, si Sak naman sa Saturday, kaya hindi ako sasama kasi si Sak sa Saturday, may footy, may game sila. So si Kuya wala kasi may golf siya. So si Sak lang, buti na lang dito lang sa Bay yung kanyang footy, hindi sa ibang lugar. And next, the following weekend, punta kami ng Melbourne. Kasi yung, di ba nabanggit ko sa inyo, may competition na si Kuya sa Melbourne. So start sa May, next weekend. So, yan ang aming ganap. Itong mga darating na weekend. Ganda sana to kung nasa nasa boat. Kasi hindi ko pa sila napakuluan. Tignan nyo guys. Ay. Kailangan ko basahin yung caption para maintindihan ko. Maganda yung story nito eh. Masarap to sa skyflakes. Oh, sa tinapay. Edit mo yung oil sa tinapay. Namimiss ko yung pang-rashusa. Bicol yun, hindi ko alam kung anong tawag sa inyo, yung tinapay na pang-rashusa. Matigas siyang tinapay. Hindi yung panligas, pero yung isa pa, yung matigas talaga. Meron akong tinapay dito mamaya. Dito tayo makakain kasi marami akong gagawin. Mamaya, may footy training yung mga bata. Ako mag-aano sa kanila kasi si Jan, hapon na yun uuwi. Kasi nag-fishing siya, tuna fishing. So, pag may dala ulit si Jan na tuna, gagawin ko ulit siya na ganito. Then, baka bukas, pag may dala si Jan ngayon, bukas baka punta ko ng town para bumili ng mga jars. Mga jars? Magtitinda ka, te. Hindi kasi wala akong paglalagyan. Yung mga girls, bigyan ko nito. Pero hindi ko alam kung kaya ko sila makikita. Hindi ko rin alam kung si Jan, magkikita sila. Ang mga boys, hindi ko rin alam. Kasi sila'y alis. Punta ng New Zealand sila. So hindi ko makita sila for how many months siguro. Kasi baka magstay siya doon longer, hindi ko alam. pala. Yung malilit dito ko ilagay para mamaya. So, nahiwalay ko na yung mga laman. Yung mga malilit dito ko linagay sa kabila para siya yung gawin ko mamayang flakes.
I'm good. I'll cover
You want
my
some?
mouth with my eye.
You want to dip your bread?
Oh yes, please.
Watch mommy.
I want that bread.
Like this guys, ito guys. Nang inggit. Ayan. So, lagyan lang natin yung ating bread. Tapos,
Okay, I know.
yeah, isaw-saw sa oil.
E-O. E-O now.
Mm.
Okay, now give me my bread, please.
Mm. Ang sarap.
Give me my bread, please.
Ang gusto kong kumain. Tapusin ko lang to. Eh, pakula ko na yung mga jars. Wow, that's big, Baba. Baba, that's too much. Laki naman yan. No, you have to fold. And you have to wash your hands after, okay? Oh. Here, I'll do it. Ako na nga. You have to wash your hands later. Here.
Oh God.
Like it? Okay. Ayusin ko muna dito, guys.
I love
Ito
cake.
yung ating cake.
I'm gonna eat it now. But where's the decoration for the cake?
Not yet. Just wait.
It's excited to decoration.
Decoration.
Why do you have to do that?
Because look at this.
Take
Look
it.
how moist. Ay, hindi niya masyado makita,
It's like
guys.
cut in half now.
A what?
It's cut in half.
Cut in half? Not yet. Tatanggalin ko yung top. Kaya meron tayo ditong pang-cut sa cake.
Cut the cake.
Wait, Baba.
It's like a string. Why is
It is a string, Baba.
Why is there a string?
Pantay muna natin siya. Wait lang, baby. Kasi ito lang naman tatanggalin natin.
How do you work that thing?
Meron siyang, ayan, adjustable siya. Oops.
Why? Are you breaking it?
No, I'm just, I need more higher. Maybe dito. Naka-timer yung aking pinapakuluan. So, a bit higher.
Yeah.
Meron ako yung turntable para sa cake. Tinatamad ako. Nandun sa garage. Meron kasi ako dun na mga container. Tinagay ko dun yung mga pang-bake ko sa container
I
na yun.
love decoration cakes.
Do you?
I done it before.
You did. Oh, wait.
Higher.
Higher. You know what? Let's just cut this. So, okay, cut na lang natin ito gamitin. Kasi
Why are you
tatanggalin ko
gonna
lang.
cut it?
I'm just gonna remove this crop top.
Crack top. Can I eat the crack top?
Sure. Wait. Ano nang sinasabi nila?
I wanna eat the crack cake. Crack cake. So it's easy, more nicer.
Mm-hmm.
Give me the crack cake.
Guys, yung ritaso.
Here. Thank you.
Welcome.
Thank you for my dessert.
Your dessert. So, okay. Ready?
Yeah.
Kita nyo guys? Nakita nyo ba?
So good.
So good, Baba.
Why do I that for Mom?
Okay, ayan na guys, yung ating, nahati na natin yung sa dalawa. Ngayon,
Mom, it's dripping.
gagawin ko yung kanyang ganache. Wait lang guys. Kumukulo na to. So, okay na to. Kumuha ko ng malinis na tea towel. Para dyan natin siya i-dry. Sila pala. Oops. Sobrang init niya. Yan, lagay ko na pala yung frosting natin. Lagay ko muna to sa ref para mag-set. Then, lagyan ko ulit siya ng chocolate. After siguro mga 10 to 15 minutes.
Yummy.
Yummy!
Again, decoration.
Ayan, naset na yung ating first layer na chocolate. Ngayon, lagay ulit tayo.
Can I spray it?
Dinidefrost lang ako sa sa
Why do you
microwave.
need more?
Because.
Is it cold?
Hindi.
It is cold. I gotta put the decoration on it, Mom. Do you have decoration for the cake?
No, just chocolate. Just simple.
Do you have some?
What?
Do you have some scrolly things like that thing that you made for my cake?
No, I don't.
Elsa thing?
No? We have something like Elsa.
Huh?
That's only for girls. Mukha niya. What happened? Tingnan niyo. Meron siya dito. Nakita niyo yan? Mahaba dyan. What did you do, Baba?
My bag scratched my. I know my.
Nandito na ang birthday boy.
I got a surprise for you.
Cover your thing, Baba.
Okay, Mum,
Dito na sila.
I have to play it. Zach said so, and he's my birthday, kid.
Wow. No PlayStation.
Zach's birthday.
Yeah, it's Zach's birthday.
The boss.
Yeah, tonight, not now. Oh, happy birthday, raw. Yeah, tonight, not now. Oh, happy birthday, raw, Kuya Sak. What you guys say to your sister? Thanks. Sophie, you can change your clothes
I
now.
had this toy.
Did you?
And this, show me. I already had this before.
Okay. Binalot lang ni Holly yung mga laruan ni Sak. Tapos my card. Read the card. She made you a card. What you gonna say to your sister? Oh. Minamarinate ko lang yung manok and hugasan ko na to. Yeah. Oh, that's Holly. Ayan, naka-change na sila ng pang...
Type is it?
Huh?
What type is it?
The one you always want for your
Why is the
birthday.
cake so flat?
Oh, the other half is in the fridge. Nakabihis na sila ng kanilang pang training.
Cake?
Huh? No, chocolate cake.
Good.
Good.
Can I taste it?
Yeah, it's your birthday.
Yep. So I can do whatever I want.
Wow, boss.
Make me spaghetti.
I have spaghetti noodles and I'm gonna make chicken. You said
Yeah.
sushi.
Ah.
Okay.
Is it just us here?
Yeah.
I'm Sophie.
And Sophie and Kylie will be here and
Kobe?
Kobe.
I thought Auntie Mel was.
I'm not sure. Auntie Mel is
I think
working.
she's going to give me on Saturday.
Yeah, maybe.
I'm going to help her.
Mm-hmm.
So I can cook my friends.
Can I have cupcakes?
Want a bit?
You want Yakult? You want Yakult? Do you drink Yakult? So? Yakult? You want like that? No.
No, thank you.
Okay.
Ma,
Sige, tapusin ko na yung trabaho ko dito. Maaga si Josh.
Shark.
Wow!
We have to take off the football
Oh.
training because Dad has to do that.
Okay. Akala ko pa naman siya ang mag-ano kasi maaga siya. Ayan, may shark. Ayan yung shark, guys. Oh. Hindi ko alam kung makita niyo. Ay, wait. Ayan. Yan yung shark, yung nasa gitna. Tapos another tuna. Another tuna. Ayan. Ayan natin yung cake. Ayan na yung ating, oops. Ayan na siya guys. Tatakpan ko na to. Kita nyo ba? Hindi nyo kita. Ayan. Tatakpan ko na to. Mga bata nasa labas, si Jan nililinis yung isda. Ayun, hala, alis na pala kami. And pupunta raw sila Mel, tsaka si Jace. Sana may enough food tayo. Hindi ko alam kasi napupunta sila. Akala ko si Sophie lang ang bisita namin. Pero kaya yan. Buti talaga, binake ko na ito kaninang madaling araw bago matulog. Pero kung hindi, kakapusin talaga ako kasi papalamigin pa itong cake. Ha? Ha? Wait, Han. What's that? Bag?
Yeah, bag.
Here?
Thank you.
Thank you. Ang sarap. Lalo na pag yung chocolate na ginamit nyo ay good quality. Oh, naku, ang sarap. Ito, Cadbury ito. Okay na. Nag-cover na ba natin siya? Ay, yung mga nagdidrip, kunin natin. Kunin natin dyan. Freezer bag? No, I don't. For the shark? I don't think so I have freezer bag. Ah, here, Han! I do! Kuya! Thank you.
Go.
We have to go?
Now.
Okay, I'm just gonna finish this and then we're going. Madali na tayo ng mga boys. Ang langaw na to, kagabi pa. Isang araw pa kayo ha. Ang dami ko ng... Chocolate po yan.
Yeah, when do we go?
After this, I'm just gonna put this in the fridge.
What's a Carol 99 double cake?
You like your cake, Sam?
Whoa.
Chocolate.
You like it?
Mum, remember I have to do the first cut?
Yes, but not
On the floor.
Not on the floor, not all the way.
Why?
Because you have to make your wish. So your wish will come true.
But you're not allowed to tell anyone. But you're not allowed to tell anyone. Nah, I'm not doing.
Rosa, see? Kasi yung puti shoes niya, madulas yan dito. Pang-brush yan eh. Oy, 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 oy. Don't be silly, Sak. You're gonna hurt yourself.
Not being silly.
Well,
You should film when you play football.
no, I don't play football, so I won't feel it.
Wait, when are we? Wait. Where's our spaghetti?
There.
Just drop us off at the front of the footy, at the front where you drive in. Just drop us off on the side there. We can walk.
At 5 o'clock.
Yeah. Is Daddy gonna pick you up or?
No, you are.
Yeah.
Or you just ask Dad if I-
No, Dad will say
I
no.
will ask Dad to pick you up because
No, he's.
I have things to do.
Mum,
And
let's
then-
Dad.
You have to pick us up.
Okay,
No,
guys.
Mum. Nah, pick that up.
Wow. Here, here.
No. This.
Huh?
What?
Yeah, I will.
No, no, I'm making it.
When Dad gets there, we have to go straight because I know we'll be here.
Okay. Come on, Mom.
Okay, okay,
We'll
okay.
see you
Later.
later. I
Oh,
thought
Mom,
No, it's not.
just drop us in the front before you go into the
Okay, okay, okay. Okay, alis na muna kami guys.